position lead you somewhere. So traffic light still says go. And don't cry. Positioning to readjust. So it's going towards the left.
How are you going to fix your position?
By checking my mirror.
Which mirror?
Left and right to see if I'm in the middle.
Good, well done. By checking mirror, can you see your position in
Yes,
the
I
road?
can see it.
Okay. He's not coming in the road.
coming.
No, he's not coming.
Then I was still to this lane.
Yes.
Then
Then next traffic light, where you going? Which way you going?
Going right.
Okay. How you gonna go to the right?
I'll check the road light to my lane.
Okay. Which arrow you gonna go on the right?
The arrow that turns to the
Pointing on the
pointing to the
right side. Good.
side. So now I'm going to be on the right lane, the last right lane.
Okay. Can you see your turn from here? Okay. What mistake did you make
I
before?
went into this lane.
Wrong side.
Yeah, wrong side. So now I'm still going to go ahead.
How you gonna do different this time?
Yeah, I'm not going to this because
Yes.
that's not my lane. That's a visitor
So
lane.
where's your arrow then?
My arrow's there.
Show me.
Turning right that way.
Good.
After the junction.
Yeah, there.
When you feel lost and you can't go on, remember the place where you belong.
So my traffic
Every
light is still
shadow
showing.
fades
So I'll stop
away.
here before the line.
Okay, good.
After every dark comes day.
Yeah, can we go? Yeah, left. Go ahead and then next traffic light, turn left, please. Okay. What is this red bit for? Red paint. Okay. Okay.
One day you will look back
On the left.
and you will see.
So while you're stopping here, just observe your junction, okay? Keep observing.
You became stronger. And all those tears, they made you who you are. So wherever you go, remember this.
Good. Turn, keep going ahead, please, ma'am. Just talk me through. Okay,
The
you see
speed limit says 20 zone.
where
So